In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monarch Money effectively with some handy tips and tricks. Managing your finances is an essential skill, and Monarch Money is a great tool to help you make sense of your money. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating through Monarch Money like a pro, so let's dive right in. First, head over to the Monarch Money dashboard. This is your control center where you can get an overview of your financial health at a glance. The dashboard displays crucial information such as your net worth, recent transactions, and upcoming bills. It's your snapshot for quick decisions, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this starting point. Next, take a look at the Accounts section. Here you can link all your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and other financial accounts. This is where Monarch Money shines by consolidating all your accounts into one seamless view. Make sure to connect all your accounts to get the complete picture of your financial world. Now let's move to adding transactions. Monarch allows you to manually enter transactions, which is perfect for those little cash expenditures or when automating isn't an option. This flexibility ensures you're capturing all financial activities, not just the ones your bank records. Regular updates here prevent any surprises at the end of the month. Monitoring your cash flow is the next essential feature. In the cash flow section, you'll gain insights into your income and expenses over selected time periods. Keeping an eye on this helps you understand where your money goes each month and can highlight areas where you might be overspending. Adjusting your spending habits becomes much easier with these insights. With your cash flow in check, let's explore the Reports feature. Reports provide a detailed analysis of your financial patterns, breaking down spending by categories. This information is invaluable for improving your financial behaviors and allocating resources more efficiently. Creating a budget is another critical aspect of financial planning. Within Monarch Money, you can set a budget to track your spending against your financial goals. Adjust these settings to suit your lifestyle and spending habits for better control over your finances. Recurring expenses often slip through the cracks, but not with Monarch Money. This feature allows you to track any recurring payments like subscriptions or monthly bills, ensuring that nothing is missed and you stay on top of upcoming payments. Setting financial goals is a proactive step toward better money management. Within Monarch Money, you can outline personal goals, whether saving for a vacation or paying off debt, and monitor your progress over time. Now, if you're considering investments, Monarch has you covered. The investment section outlines your portfolio and performance, offering insights into asset growth over time. This helps make informed decisions regarding your investment strategy. Finally, Monarch offers personalized advice tailored to your financial situation. This professional input can guide you in optimizing your finances, aligning your actions with long-term goals. By leveraging these features, Monarch Money becomes a powerful ally in your financial management journey. I hope these tips and tricks make managing your money a little easier. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.